Alrighty guys, collection 3.1, so Saturday morning. Our haul is pretty straightforward. We've got our second baker last night, so from 2-2, and today in our haul we're just going to get a pair of cartographers. Collect and delete your housing, collect your bakers last, with some breweries planted to multiply the supply production. Very self-explanatory. Let's go check on Conveyor, because that one is going to be a little faster pace since we did the cartographers yesterday. We only needed to add 8 churches here in Conveyor to reach the 150. So makes the collect and delete process a little bit more fluid, but it also maximizes the alloy that we're going to get off the remaining housing. Make sure you don't collect your baker first. Let's get all the coin collected. Alright, coin is done. Let's see where we're at. We've got 950 alloy. We're going to get another 375 from the baker once we do collect that. Over 10 million in coin, but only 468,000 on supplies. So this is where the brewery thing comes in. Collect and delete your houses for pairs of brewery in the same 6x6 pattern that we did with our churches. And once you delete enough housing, you'll also be able to delete some of the churches to replace with brewery. So the goal is to get as many breweries into this collection as possible. Alright, so we've got 19 breweries. Was able to delete all the churches. 468 supplies. It's not going to change our alloy production, but the goal is to make that single baker behave like a couple supply producers just on the developing stage. And from here, we'll the goal in Conveyor is to plant our second baker, since we did the pair of cartographers last night. And then tomorrow, or tonight, I guess, when we collect, we'll end up with the same number of breweries, but now be multiplying 2 bakers. So not only the extra supplies off of 2 of them, but the alloy as well. It's pretty easy to build momentum. You can see where I'm going. But after this, so the 3-2 collection is probably when I'm going to start planning expansions. I would say that a reasonable goal is to get at least 1,500 in alloy during collection before you start planning your expansions. So that way you'll have enough alloy for, 1 baker, 1 large improvement, or 1 clapboard house. And then 500 alloy for a cartographer or a pillory as well. So that would be the threshold that I would aim for. I think that's it for 3.1. It's pretty self-explanatory, and everything in Arva Hall is literally what I did here in Conveyor last night, so you guys already have that information as well. So I'll see you for 3.2.